علی هوشمند قصر دشتی. My student number is 101261322, and I want to go through my codes for assignment 2. This assignment is totally in two parts, part A and part B. For beginning, we import the random and we also importing mass and the string. We connect our drive, our Google Drive to Colab, and also let's run it one by one as we are explaining. Yeah, it says the drive is already mounted. For first time, it asked me some steps. It required some steps to connect that, but as I connected before, it works perfectly. And this is the route that I made for my score.txt, and this is the attempt to open the score.txt file. If you don't have the file, the program automatically make a file for us, and if no files available, it says no file is found. We will make one for you. Or if the file is there, it says I'm happy to meet you again. Your last it says my last score from the previous time that I run this program. Anyway, because I already have the max score and it's there, then we define the max score and going through defining the my math test function. Okay, we are defining two random integers between 1 and 10 for A and B, and also defining a mechanism to generate a random operator. These are the operators, and calculate the correct answer based on the random operator. Yeah, as it shows, the program randomly choose numbers and operations between them and ask the user for the answer, and these are all set randomly, asking what is the result of the random number, random operator, and random second number. If the number is true, it says congratulations, you are pro. If not, it says the correct answer is giving the correct answer, and let's try another question. And it also plays with the max score. When we are answering right, it's +1. When we are answering wrong, -1. And invalid input says invalid input, please enter a valid input. We're running that, and here is our program. Okay, we're going for right answer at first. 6 minus 4 is 2. Congratulations, you're pro. Do you want to continue? Yes. What is the result of 6 minus 1? It's 5. The score went 1. Now my score is 2, 1 point up. Now we are going for wrong answer. There are 5 plus 2, 6. It says the correct answer is 7. Let's try another question. And first, do you want to continue? Okay, we are going for yes again, and let's go for an invalid input. Please enter a valid input, and my score is still 1. And wherever I type except Y, it's get out of the loop. So these are the main codes for first part, and it shows the it saved the result saved on my the text file. If I check my .text file here, I can see the results here. And yeah, it was the part one. The second part is this quadratic formula part. We first print welcome to quadratic equation game, and printing the equation. Please enter the value. Yeah, we define values here, A, B, C, and we can give them some values. Let's give the number 2 for A. So sorry. Okay, let's go by one by one. The value for A is going to be 1. The value for B is going to be 2. And the value for C let's go for 1. The value for B, let's go for 2. And the value for C, let's go for 6. And now it prints the value for A, B, and C as a calling the format ABC method, which is 1, 2, 1 which is A, 2 which is B, and 6 which is C. Then we define the discriminant call, and this is we are putting 1 mark and use the above function found. These are the main codes for us. Here, if we change the also numbers, you can see, for example, let's say 3 for this one, 3, 4 for this one, and 5 for C. And if we run it, we can say that we can see the numbers changed. And also this one shows that it defined the math equations calculation that for these types of problems we might get the 2 solution or 1 solution, and the formula for this so that it answered the discriminant is negative, we got a pair of complex solution, but it might get the single solution, 1 real solution, or like the negative solution, and as a result of that, at the end it saved the answer to our quadratic tests, which we can say here the discriminant is negative. We got a pair of complex solution. uh, that was my assignment, and thank you for your time.